Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
MSCI's global equities gauge was barely up in choppy trading, while US Treasury yields dipped as investors awaited testimony from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, key inflation data, and the corporate earnings season kickoff. The long-awaited repayment process for the creditors of the defunct crypto exchange Mt. Gox has commenced with repayments in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash scheduled. The development follows the November 2021 rehabilitation plan approval, supported by most of Mt. Gox's creditors. Boeing has agreed to plead guilty to a criminal fraud conspiracy charge and pay a fine of over $243 million to resolve an investigation into two 737 MAX fatal crashes. The plea deal would brand the planemaker a convicted felon in connection with crashes in Indonesia and Ethiopia that killed 346 people.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 10 GMT, the US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT, the Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index will be released at 4:30 GMT, Japan's machine tool orders at 6 GMT, Japan's Producer Price Index at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.